Lights go off, it's late at night. I close my eyes, try to sleep tight. Then it starts, loud and strong. Yeah, this night's gonna be long. My wife snores, I can't sleep. Ceiling counting down and wide awake deep. Every night, same old beat. My wife snores, I can't sleep. I turn left, I turn right. Pillow overhead, still no quiet. She sleeps fast, peaceful deep, while I'm fighting just to sleep. Sounds like thunder, sounds like a train. I check the clock again and again. She dreams sweet, I stare at the wall. 3 a.m., I've seen it all. My wife snores, I can't sleep. Ceiling counting down and wide awake deep. Every night, same old beat. My wife snores, I can't sleep. Could be stress or the way she lies. Long hard days, short nights. Maybe nose blocked, maybe cold. Yeah, there's reasons, I've been told. I don't blame her, it's not a crime. But sleep deprivation messes with time. I love her still, that's true. Just wish the snoring took a break too. Maybe earplugs, maybe change the side. Open window, take it in stride. Laugh it off, don't make a fight. Love is louder than the night. My wife snores, I can't sleep. Ceiling counting wide, awake deep. Every night, same old beat. My wife snores, I can't sleep. Next morning comes coffee strong. She says, you look tired. I say, nothing wrong. She smiles sweet, kisses my cheek. Worth every night of lost sleep. Yeah, it's funny, yeah, it's real. That's how married life can feel. No perfect nights, no perfect beat, but love survives even without sleep. My wife snores, I can't sleep, but I wouldn't trade her, not for a piece. Every night, same old beat. My wife snores, yeah, that's life with me. My wife snores. My wife snores, I can't sleep.